How to check unaccepted follow request on Instagram. Let's begin by opening Instagram. Then tap on heart icon from the top of your screen. Here you will be able to see the notification of who has sent you the follow request. You can also see unaccepted follow request by downloading your information. Go to your profile. Then tap on hamburger icon. Tap on your activity. Next, scroll down to download your information. Tap on Download or Transfer Information button. Select the profile that you want to download the information from. Select Some of your information option. Now search followers and following. Choose any one option from here. Then tap on Create Files button. Open the downloaded file and you will be able to see the unaccepted follow request, and that's it.